Hi, I'm Emma Jewell and today I'm going to be using my new Sassy Crafting collection, Trick or Treat, to make a Halloween wreath. Let's go. So you're going to need a wreath base. I've got this lovely copper one. You will need my detail dies, the Trick or Treat detail dies, and you're going to need the spider and the bat from this collection. You're going to need the Sassy Crafting Trick or Treat ephemera. And you're also going to need some black card and also some glitter card. And I've got my die cutting machine, and you'll also need a glue gun. First of all, I'm going to die cut the pieces we need to pop onto the wreath. So I'm going to take my card and just cut it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to set up my die cutting machine. So I'm going to pop in the black card, and then I'm going to pop the spider and the bat in there, and then run this through. Oh, so where I need my arm muscles, I'm going to come back through. Those to the side, and there we've got our spider and also the bat. I'm just going to cut 2 more of those. Actually, I'm going to do a couple more in this glitter. Here we go. Remember, these dies will also cut felt for you, as well as glitter card like this. The spider just needs easing out on his little home. There he comes. And got the bat there, and take his middle out. How cute does he look, all glittery? I'm just going to do 2 more of those, just so we've got a selection, and I've already pre-cut some in plain black card. Okay, next I'm just going to fold the legs of the spiders a little bit so they look more real, a bit more spooky. So just fold them in half to give them a bit of 3D dimension. And with the bats, I'm just going to roll their wings a little bit. Either way, it doesn't matter, just to make them look like they're flying. Okay, so once you've folded all of your spider's legs and your bat's wings, move them to the side and grab your wreath. I'm just going to plan out where I want them to go. I've got the glue gun heated up, so then I can apply them. But let's work out where we'd like them to be. I'd like it to look like they're all kind of crawling around the wreath. Maybe spiders down the bottom and some bats around the top. Something like that. And then I'm also going to grab some of these guys from the ephemera, and I'm actually going to cut into their legs so that I can make them bend a bit more. Ooh. So I'm just going to trim between his legs so he can be a bit more bendy. Same on the top of his legs. I really like these bugs, they're super creepy. She's just going to trim around the bottom of him there. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with roughly where everything's going to go. I'm going to start with this big one here. Just put a blob of glue on his back, it doesn't need a lot. And then add him to the metal there. And then go along and do all of the spiders. So just a little bit on the backs will be perfect. And you want them facing all different directions. They look like they're scurrying along. Okay, now I'm going to add a few more bits of ephemera just to add some more colour. So I think I'm going to add a big old coffin up the top. Perfect to go with my bats. Maybe a little skull. I love this severed hand, so maybe he'd look cool. Kind of poking through there at the bottom. Pop some lips under there as well. Get these little spider's legs on top. And then I'm just thinking it would be really cool to pop a sentiment on there. So I'm going to grab a sticker. I'm going to grab the Happy Halloween sticker and pop that on too. So all of the guests in my house will know it's Halloween. I'm going to pop that along the bottom like so. And there we go, one super quick Halloween wreath. You can find the Trick or Treat collection and more of my Sassy Crafting ranges at CraftStash.